Hello everyone, welcome to Tinkering with Terrius. So I had some AliExpress stuff come today, 5 of the 14 orders I've been waiting for. One of them was, judging by the description here, the very first item I ever ordered on AliExpress, so that took quite a while to arrive. So today we're going to do a little mail goodies. I don't have very many things for the mail goodies episode today, but I want to open these up so that I know exactly what they are. Their descriptions aren't the most useful. So we'll start with this one. This one claims to be 1 pieces AT Mega 328P-PU times 3. So couldn't that have just said 3 pieces? And weird. Okay. So let's see. Ow. Will this be what it says it is? I don't cut into anything important. Woohoo! So it looks like it is. So these 3 AT Mega 328Ps are going to be used for playing with the component tester and hopefully making a couple DIY Arduinos. I'm always surprised when the envelope actually has an accurate description of the contents. Next up we'll do this one, which was clearly deflated in shipping. Somebody had written on here with pen and poked a hole into the bag, so it's not really sealed anymore. Aha! So I didn't really remember what these were because all it said was Amico 100 pieces 6 by 6 by 4.5. So it is 100 low profile buttons. Now I can't remember exactly why I bought 100. I think it was just because it was super cheap. And I'm sure these will come in very handy. You never know when you're going to need a little button for something. So now I have 100 of them. Next up we have this one, which is description is module. Ooh. Which is completely useless for a description, because it could literally be anything. It's always a little worrying when you cut into something that you don't know what's inside. You don't know where the item is. Well, those are definitely not modules. This would be pin headers. Lots of pin headers. So the reason I got a bunch of these header pins, or pin headers, or whatever you want to call them, is because locally I can get a single one of these for 80 cents. On AliExpress I was able to get 10 of these for $1. So it's much better return on investment, I guess. Now unfortunately, when I bought these from the same seller I bought female headers, and those didn't arrive. So, interesting. Okay, this one. This one is another one of these ones that is useless for its description. It is integrated circuit. I'd vote that is one of the most useless descriptions ever. I can feel something up there. I don't like that. I think I can. This one I'm going to open. An envelope. Oh look! It's a second package of headers. So this is 10 more male headers. So it's of course 40 pins, so that's 400, and then I have 400 more. I shouldn't be running out of these anytime soon, that's for sure. I don't know how these are integrated circuits. Why would you label these as integrated circuits? So now I have 800 pins. 800 male header pins. Finally, here we have the oldest order of any of my orders, if this is what I believe it is. This says quarter watt Diane Zubao. I think that means resistors. I'm pretty sure this is going to be resistors. Let's see. And wow, that's a lot of resistors. Okay. So it definitely is resistors, and that means this is officially the oldest AliExpress order I have received. This one is now 5 months old, finally showed up. So that gives me a little bit of faith that the rest of the orders will eventually show up. I'm assuming Canadian Customs is just terrible. Though none of these packages were opened, so maybe it's not customs, maybe it's just shipping. So we have 30 types of resistors here. Some of them don't have all 20, so it's not quite 600 pieces, but it's a ton of resistors. It was super cheap, it was only about $3. They look decent quality. Their leads are a little bit fine compared to high quality DigiKey ones, but I'm sure they'll do for whatever I need them for. I now have pretty much every resistor value that I could possibly ever want for through-hole resistors. At some point I'm probably going to look into getting a set of SMD resistors. Okay, and that's all the mail goodies for today. There was nothing super exciting in there, unfortunately. I have a bunch of little electronics kits and stuff that I've been waiting for 3 months now, so hopefully those will eventually show up. And then I'll be able to make some kit videos. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you didn't, then feel free to give it a dislike, but if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. If you feel like sharing the video, go ahead. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.